Hi, I'm Leanne from Percy and Paige. I've had a lot of customers contact me lately about how the universal foot muffs attach to the seats of prams. Now, each foot muff has a pocket at the back which has a slot at the top. Now, the crotch strap of the pram feeds through the slot, and once Bubs is done up in the harness, the foot muff won't fall off. Now, there's also added Velcro tabs at the sides which can securely attach to either the belly bar or seat frame of the pram. So here's a little demonstration of how to attach the foot muff to the seat of the pram. The crotch strap goes through the slot in the pocket, the back pocket, and then the Velcro tabs either attach to the belly bar of the pram or the seat frame of the pram. And then all you need to do is fold the flap over the belly bar if you've got one, and there you go. So if you've already got a custom liner at home and you want to use the universal foot muff with the liner, here's a little demonstration on how to attach the foot muff to the pram. First step is to take the crotch strap out of the hole of the pram liner, and then, like in the first demonstration, attach the crotch strap into the slot of the pocket of the foot muff. Then reattach the liner and tuck the bottom of the liner into the foot muff. This will also secure Bubs completely in the foot muff as well. And put the flap, if you've got a belly bar, over the belly bar, and then you're done. So I hope this demonstration has helped you understand how to attach these universal foot muffs to any model of pram. If you have any further questions, please contact me through either my Facebook page or the website.